You asked, how to divide 55,200,000 by 365 using the long division method. 5 is too small. 55 is too small. Use 552. 552 divided by 365 equals 1. 1 times 365 equals 365. 552 minus 365 equals 187. Bring down 0, making 1870. 1870 divided by 365 equals 5. 5 times 365 equals 1825. 1870 minus 1825 equals 45. Bring down 0, making 450. 450 divided by 365 equals 1. 1 times 365 equals 365. 450 minus 365 equals 85. Bring down 0, making 850. 850 divided by 365 equals 2. 2 times 365 equals 730. 850 minus 730 equals 120. Bring down 0, making 1200. 1200 divided by 365 equals 3. 3 times 365 equals 1095. 1200 minus 1095 equals 105. Bring down 0, making 1050. 1050 divided by 365 equals 2. 2 times 365 equals 730. 1050 minus 730 equals 320. The remainder is 320. The final result is 151,232, remainder 320.